Cambodian Prime Minister warns opposition group Sabai to confess over spoiled ballots before legal action ensues. Cambodia's Prime Minister, Hun Sen, has issued a warning to members of the opposition group, Sabai on Telegram, stating that those who spoiled their ballots and sent them to their leader in Paris should come forward before legal action is taken. In a voice message on the evening of July 23, 2023, following the closure of the polls, Samdech Hun Sen commended the turnout for the 7th National Assembly election, comparing it favorably to the elections in 2013 and 2018. Samdech Hun Sen also drew attention to the actions of the opposition, which he accused of disrupting the election and spoiling ballots by marking them with a cross. He claimed they organized a campaign on Telegram to photograph these crossed ballots and send them to Mr. Sam Rainsy, who viewed the issue as a challenge. Samdech Hun Sen addressed the opposition operating in the Telegram group, Sabai, stating that he is aware of their identities within the country. He urged those who spoiled their ballots and sent them to their leader in Paris to come forward and confess before legal action is taken.